How we doing, guys? Just going to do a quick video on Oasis Network Rose token, a Rose coin. Going to be buying it on Binance today, so pretty straightforward. Starting off on the Binance homepage, you're going to click Markets down the bottom. Then at the top in the search bar, you're going to want to type Rose, R-O-S-E. Hit search. Then all the available pairs are going to pop up. We're going to be using Bitcoin, so we're going to hit Rose BTC. Okay, then you can have a quick look at the charts on the 15 minutes at the moment. If we jump to the hourly candles, daily. Okay, we're going to go ahead and click buy down the bottom. We're going to use about $20 worth of Bitcoin, $25-ish. We've got the option, we can either buy at market or we can set a limit, and it will automatically buy when the price drops to that price. But for the video, we're just going to go ahead by market, so hit 50%. Okay, looking good. We're going to go ahead and click buy Rose. Success. No open orders, so simple as that. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.